Hi guys, are you trying to install Windows 11 but you are getting a TPM compatibility issue? Don't worry. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the TPM compatibility issue. Stay tuned. Most motherboard has TPM, but it might be disabled by default. So I'm going to show you how to enable it. But first, we need to check it is enabled or not. To do that, first go into your search bar and type TPM MSC and click this icon. As you can see, compatible TPM cannot be found. I have disabled it just to show you this error message. So if you are getting this error message, you can change it by using BIOS. So you need to go into your BIOS settings and change a key to make it compatible with TPM. Okay, let's get started. Go to your start menu and restart your machine, and you need to go into your BIOS setting. If you don't know how to go into your BIOS setting, when your machine is starting up, press F10, F11, F12 or delete button. Most of the motherboard has a delete button to open the BIOS settings. Just try it out. If it is not working, you can try other keys. Okay, I'm gonna restart it now. Okay, now it's starting up. I pressed delete button, so I go into BIOS setting. In here, you need to go into this tab, click on it. Yes, in here you can see Intel Platform Trust Technology PTT. You need to enable it. If you are using you have a AMD processor, you will be able to see AMD Trusted Technology. Just enable it, so you will be able to work TPM. Now go to save and exit and double click on the save and exit setup and click yes. Now it will restart. Okay, now the machine is start up, so let's check whether TPM is now enabled or not. Let's go to the search bar again and type tpm.msc again, and let's see. Yeah, TPM is supported by now. Now you can install Windows 11 without any problem. So I think this video is helpful for you to fix the Windows 11 TPM issue. Thank you for watching. Just subscribe to this channel and like this video, and see you next time with another video.